Firstly, when was this shot? ये कब आया आपके पास? कब आपको पता चला ये दोनों भी इसमें हैं?
Namit, the producer, we was in touch since June, July. And obviously what happens in a web show, it's not like a movie. Before I signed the project, I knew we've got a great ensemble cast, so that was exciting. And my role was very exciting. I'm playing the antagonist, the negative character in the thing. So for me, it was something, after a long time, I was doing a negative character. We bonded very well, so it was really...
Nice.
You always hear it कि हमने बहुत मजा किया, but ये इसमें
सच में मजा किया।
and you can see that when we were waiting for the thing, you could see that the
That's great
yeah, no,
camaraderie.
the way we were talking and everything, ऐसे लगता हमने बहुत
Nice.
first time I'm working with them, but
Yeah.
it didn't feel like it.
Nice. मोनी खाती भी है कि खाली
नहीं,
खिलाती है?
you will be shocked. मैं इसको जब देखता था ब्रेक में ये खा ही रही होती है.
Moni, on both sides, handsome men.
Yes,
Tell me,
very.
you go for the roles which are unpredictable most of the time. What was in this?
There are very few women characters that are written in a way where that excites you, that interests you, and it did. So it was kind of a no-brainer to say yes, and I feel very, very lucky and humbled that I got to act with such brilliant actors. When you see the show, every single character has given it their 100%, and they are so amazing in the show. I'm really truly happy.
ये काफी heavy duty लग रहा है. आप थोड़ा बहुत बताओ कि what are these characters? What are they fighting about? What is the conflict here?
Well, I don't know how much I can reveal about the
Everything.
storyline and characters, but my character, I have not played a character like this. Like, I have done historical shows and stuff like that, but this is, for the first time, I'm playing a character so close to reality. He is as real as it can be. About other characters.
कर ले मेरी भी.
Guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As I told you, I've come blind, but I've seen the trailer and I've seen from the look of it. Sanjay, you tell the audience. Firstly, when was this shot? ये कब आया आपके पास? कब आपको पता चला ये दोनों भी इसमें हैं?
Namit, the producer, we was in touch since June, July. And obviously what happens in a web show, it's not like a movie. Because the script is still being written, only the first 2 episodes are ready. So we brainstormed and we were meeting a lot of times before I could understand what I'm doing and what part I have and everything. And at that time, I think so, casting was being done. But before I signed the project, I knew we've got a great ensemble cast, so that was exciting. And my role was very exciting. I'm playing the antagonist, the negative character in the thing. So for me, it was something, after a long time, I was doing a negative character. Yeah, so that's how it started. So we started shooting in Mumbai in October, and then November and December we went to Patiala. So we shot most of the show in Patiala, which was lovely. कि हमने सरसों का साग भी खाया, दबा के खाया, और मोनी साथ में होती है, तो she gets the whole group together and she really, you know, so whenever free time we had, we bonded very well. So it was really, you always hear it कि हमने बहुत मजा किया, but ये इसमें
सच में मजा किया।
सच में
and you
मजा
can
किया।
see that when we were waiting for the thing, you could see that the
That's great
yeah, no,
camaraderie.
the way we were talking and everything, ऐसे लगता हमने बहुत
Nice.
first time I'm working with them, but
Yeah.
it didn't feel like it.
Nice. मोनी खाती भी है कि खाली
नहीं,
खिलाती है?
you will be shocked. मैं इसको जब देखता था ब्रेक में ये खा ही रही होती है.
I have vada pav
Small
Maggi.
portions, but she
Yeah,
eats.
but she can eat.
Right.
So that's a good thing.
Right. Moni, on both sides, handsome men.
Yes,
Tell me, you
very.
go for the roles which are unpredictable most of the time. Most actors I interview go for the typical role, एक image है, and then they stick to that for many years. You go for the unpredictable roles. What was in this?
So I'll be honest with you, the first time it came, because Kamna is one character, what was fascinating for me is that she has a good arc. She's very human and she's so flawed. I saw the beauty in how flawed Kamna is. Having said that, I was a little bit confused whether to do it or not, because like you'll see much more of Kamna or the grey shades and the twists and turns in her thought process or how she functions as a woman, as a human being, to kind of have a space, hold a little space in the environment of this show,
Right.
in the society that she's living in. It comes slightly later in the show.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, it's going to be 2 seasons. Should I not? But when you are offered, as you said, that there are very few women characters that are written
Yeah.
in a way where that excites you, that interests you, and it did. So it was kind of a no-brainer to say yes, and I feel very, very lucky and humbled that I got to act with such brilliant actors. When you see the show, every single character has given it their 100%, and they are so amazing in the show. I've seen, like we've seen parts while dubbing and stuff
Dubbing,
like that.
ah.
So yeah, it was. I'm really truly happy, and like he said, that we really bonded. Our camaraderie on set was great, and even if one person is a sour person, or they do not want to kind of go that extra mile to make conversations, or even when we are not shooting a scene, it didn't happen in this show. Everybody kind of brought in a great happy energy whenever they walked in. We wanted to work, and we wanted to do good work and great work, and that's what I feel about this show and people.
And in this, I want to add that the director Divyanshu really,
Yes.
he really worked hard. He's from actually पटियाला.
Okay.
So जब हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे, हम काफ़ी जगह गए, तो उसने बोला कि ये जो एक हॉस्पिटल का सीन है, तो he said कि my family used to come because we shot in actual locations.
Actual
also.
Actual
So
location.
Divyanshu, the language, even during dubbing, it's very rare कि especially जो भी हमको read up करना था, वो कुछ ना कुछ तो निकलता हर episode में. He was there. So I think so.
I think he
Also
set
he
the
worked-
vibe.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
set
he
the
was too.
vibe
He
of
set
the
the-
Yeah, so
location.
He
was
also
the
worked the most hours.
Most,
Yeah.
Like,
obviously,
he was never sleeping, not
any
eating, like-
director,
Ah.
he's the first one to come and go. But he really added a lot to the characters because he himself is from Patiala.
Yeah.
You can do your own study and everything, but a person who's Patiala में जो रहा है और everything, so this mind, वो छोटी-छोटी जो चीजें होती हैं जो till the time he's lived there for like
Right.
25 years or something.
Right.
So he really helped. He
Right.
really helped.
Right. So, ये काफ़ी heavy duty लग रहा है. आप थोड़ा बहुत बताओ कि what are these characters? What are they fighting about? What is the conflict here?
Well, I don't know how much I can reveal about the
Everything.
storyline and characters, but my character, I have not played a character like this. Like, I have done historical shows and stuff like that, but this is for the first time I'm playing a character so close to reality. He is as real as it can be. He's a family man and all that, but it was a very different experience for me. As he said, mentioned that we were in shooting in Patiala, and how Divyanshu sir actually helped us understand the flavor of that place.
Correct, place, yeah.
So yeah, it again, because he's a Punjabi boy, I have again not played that character. So this was very new, exciting, challenging for me. About other characters,
कर ले मेरी भी तारीफ।
नहीं, बहुत मजा आया. Actually, we had so much fun on set as well as after pack up, and we
yeah.
would catch up every day after pack up,
We were
and
staying at the same hotel, and like
Right.
we were finding
Yeah.
corners there
Oh.
because it was a heritage property.
Actually ये क्या होता है
and
ना,
we would
साउंड
like-
ऐसे करता है वो हर जैसे कि
सब
हर
कोई
हर
ऐसे ही
हर
करते हैं.
कोई ऐसे बट दिस ये थोड़ा ज्यादा genuine था.
Right. Tell me about Sanjay. What is it that you observe about him? What is it that's your biggest takeaway?
there's so much to learn from him.
Yeah.
The kind of respect he gave me, he was meeting me for the first time, and the way he treated me with so much respect, love, and I mean, I wish I can be half of
Really
what
is,
he
yeah.
No,
is
genuinely.
and
Now
how
he's
he is.
doing tarif, so listen.
No, actually,
no,
I mean it.
No, I also mean it. I'd like to add to
नहीं I
him.
am just being normal. Maybe
अरे.
he's worked with wrong people.
See, he's no, he has so much experience. He has
no.
that
That's true.
legacy.
He has a
देखो
and
मैं ज़्यादा
still-
हंसूंगा मेरी आंखें ऐसे लगेगा मेरी आंखें बंद है.
At the core of it, like I'll say, the word, he literally symbolizes, and he becomes the word good. Like he's a good person. He's a
Right,
great
right,
person.
right.
So when you start from there, whatever you do
Ah.
becomes like your greatness, and people can see it. And
See
we
it,
were
yeah.
like all, we were like sponges around
Yeah.
him.
Wait, next
taking-
question.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he's brilliant. Like
in your
he's
language,
he's amazing.
In your language, give me the tea on Moni now.
Oh my God.
नहीं वो जेंजी है मुझे तो समझ तो अरे चाय लाओ सर. नो
Yeah.
मोनी के बारे में यही मैंने जो बोला कि ये जो बॉन्डिंग की हम बात कर रहे हैं देयर इज ऑलवेज वन पर्सन हु गेट्स द होल ग्रुप टुगेदर एंड शी वाज द
Catalyst.
कैटलिस्ट एंड वह खाना खाते हैं साथ में
Right.
क्या करते हैं वो बिगनिंग में थोड़ा you know, especially पहले हमने मुंबई में शूटिंग की थी, तो वहाँ once we reach there and everything, ऐसे लगता है फ्री टाइम में क्या करेंगे, but you need that one person to push you, and so then, so इसके बारे में टी यही है,
Right, टी
सबसे जो मतलब it was too good.
She got the gang together. Yeah.
She got everyone together. Right. You know, what is the misconception about acting that people should know? Is there, you know, do people have a misconception ki
Yeah, it's very glamorous.
it
It's
is- isn't
hard
it?
work.
It's a lot of hard work.
It's
yeah.
a lot of hard work and many hours, and you know, no one person can bring. It's art, but it's not like there's only one artist. Every single department have to bring in their best foot forward, and if you want to make something good.
Correct.
So, yeah.
What is the glamour part that people see? Just
Because people see the outfits and the because we are also it's entertainment, right? You're selling stories, so when you watch it, you just feel the emotions, but a lot of hard work goes behind into making that emotions come to life
correct.
on screen, I guess.
करेक्ट यू नो एक मिसकंसेप्शन है जो फैमिली फ्रेंड्स हमेशा आपको बोलते हैं, आपको लगता है यार इन्हें नहीं पता है
इन्हें नहीं पता जैसे
Family, friends.
कि सेट पे क्या क्या होता है,
हाँ।
कितने टेक्स होते हैं.
आई थिंक सो अभी ना वो सोशल मीडिया की वजह से थोड़ा सा
पता
एक्सपोजर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हुआ है. पहले एक which was good also कि एक
Mystery थी.
Mystery थी, magic
that
था.
mystery is gone, that's too much of information
हाँ.
given, so थोड़ी वो mystery निकल गई है. Like I remember जब हम चेंबूर में रहते थे, तो जब ये मैगजीन्स आते थे, we used to wait, और वो
Right.
राजेश खन्ना का कवर आता था, तो
हाँ.
ऐसे लगता था यार पढ़े हैं राजेश खन्ना
हाँ.
के बारे में, and my dad used to say stories about him, so there was a lot of mystery of stars.
हाँ.
So there still is mystery,
हाँ.
but वो slowly कम होते जा रहा है. So I think so that sometimes it's good also, but I think so most of the time it's not that good because there is no mystery left, because there's too much information which the audience has,
Yeah.
and they don't take it. Sometimes they don't take it in the right way also. That is also, you know, sometimes you're just you know, you have to promote a film. You have, because this life has become like that you are giving information also,
Correct.
because it's
Correct.
part of your work
Yeah.
now. But that is also you know, like taken in a wrong light also
Sure.
sometimes.
राइट आप बोल रहे थे कुछ.
हाँ, नहीं, I mean, because of social media, I guess everything is out there. सब कुछ लोगों को आजकल तो I guess even from the sets BTS इतने ज्यादा होते हैं कि मूवी का कम फुटेज होता है और BTS का फुटेज ज्यादा होता है. तो yeah, I guess they have a fair idea now. They understand. अभी वैसा कुछ राज रहा नहीं है.
Right. Moni, how does one keep the mystery in today's time? Because आपको Instagram भी you know, सबको कराना है, like ये सब चलाना है, and you know, you have to cater to this audience. Or there are actors who have the mystery still, they don't use social media. How?
There are very few of them.
Very
right?
few,
Very
exactly.
few.
बहुत कम है.
Very few, and I'll add to that that it depends. Like few actors who have done it, they've been at it, but they've reached that position, then they stop it.
Correct.
Besides 1, 2, you know, earlier everybody was doing it, and then you feel you don't need to. But you know, if it's become like that, you have to be in the news also,
Yeah,
because it's very easy, because there's so much talent available now. Somewhere if you're not seen, they're casting directors and everything,
Yeah.
and everybody doesn't have a volume of work.
Correct.
You know, everybody is not
I
worked.
also would like to add, I feel like when you talk about mystery, I think social media is probably is not the place when you get to know a person or their real personalities even. Maybe one-on-one when you're talking in interviews, or you know, you want to write or give out something, every single person, all actor, influencers, everybody is putting out only what they want to put out. So that is a conscious decision, I think, that everybody makes.
Correct.
However, I always feel people have different versions. Something that I know I am, something I want to be perceived as, and sometimes how the way people perceive you. So they are all different kind of dynamics and you know, stories or perceptions.
Correct.
So I think people are giving out what they.
Yeah,
So
that's
nobody
what
knows the
saying
real
कि
you unless and
वो
until you
इसलिए
talk
कभी-कभी
one-on-one.
वो अच्छी भी बात है, but it's lot of time misunderstood.
Misunderstood. Yeah,
Right.
for sure.
Right. How do you keep the mystery? You have some 5 million followers, I know. How do you keep the mystery? उनको क्या देना है, क्या नहीं देना?
This one doesn't post only. He posts only when he's
इतने
required
followers
to.
हैं, क्या कर
He's
रहे
not
हो?
very Insta.
Then I need to actually, like there is no other option. When I have, otherwise, मैं कोशिश तो ये करता हूँ कि see it also I feel like people who have seen my work and they want to know more about me, वो थोड़ा कभी-कभी बुरा भी लगता है कि I should tell them something,
Yeah.
what I'm doing, what's up in my life.
हाँ.
ऐसा लगता भी है, but mostly I try to avoid.
Right. According to all three of you, who is good at this Instagram game?
Moni, of course.
Moni is, of course.
Without
That's a
any doubt.
natural-
Queen.
Yeah.
Before you could finish the question, then already-
Moni, you also feel you're out of these two.
I have a lot of things to post.
How do you have a
I don't know.
Yeah.
There are some
हम इतना
work
पोस्ट
posts
करेंगे हमको लोग ब्लॉक कर
and
देंगे
clothes and this and tag this person, that
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
So yeah, it's
Right.
become. But personal stuff I used to a lot, put
Huh.
out a lot.
Huh.
Now I've kind of stopped
Okay.
because yeah. Otherwise, I think you are just like you become overbearing.
तो Instagram आप काम के लिए रखोगे अभी? That's what you're
Mostly,
saying?
yes,
It's only for
yes.
work. Okay. Okay. Out of the three of
Why? But whatever, like if I'm going on a holiday and I want to post something, I
Yeah,
will.
that's
But not like on a day to day.
please post. हमको
yeah.
अच्छा लगता है. हम वहाँ जाते
हमें
नहीं
अच्छा
हैं.
लगता है,
We
yes.
go to Maldives through you. So please post. Who is more likely to forget lines out of the three of you?
I'll say me.
no no no
No one,
See,
no one.
actually in this show lot of people have done they started the careers with television
Yeah.
so television में lines are like a lot and
Yeah,
everything
हाँ.
तो though I don't forget my lines but अगर आप compare करो
हाँ.
तो I think so
You think you?
me because the only reason is they get the line especially
Wow.
her she gets the line very fast because I think so in TV there is no time
Correct.
and they start most of them have started this so they definitely could get the lines
So both
immediately.
of you
He
teach.
trains you really well.
Yeah,
But
both
what
of you
does he-
teach us. How does one remember lines?
This
Yes.
one comes on set sometimes and he'll memorize like 2 page.
And
Yeah.
आप हो जाता है memorize.
मैं तो गाड़ी में भी पढ़ता हूँ यार रात को पैकअप के बाद भी पढ़ता हूँ
It's
because
practice, you
It's
know. We
practice.
have got
Yeah.
sometimes we've gotten like 2-3 scenes at 9 at night when you are supposed to pack up, and suddenly there are like 6 pages.
नहीं नहीं also what happened is कि when I started way back in the 90s हम 2 सीन करते थे तो प्रोड्यूसर इतना खुश हो जाता कि 2 सीन हो गए तो लाइटिंग में भी इतना टाइम लगता तो
हाँ.
टाइम इतना था अच्छा सीन भी लास्ट मिनट लिखे जाते थे तो
हाँ.
रात को पढ़ोगे क्या डायरेक्टर इज गिविंग यू द सीन सो देयर वाज सो मच टाइम यू हैड द होल डे एक्चुअली अगर वो 12 घंटे का दिन है तो काम तो 8 ही घंटे होते थे
Right.
और लाइटिंग में भी टाइम लगता तो बहुत वक्त उस वक्त मिल जाता
Nice.
नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ डिजिटल एंड एवरीथिंग द यू नो बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी लाइटिंग इज आल्सो वेरी फास्ट
Very fast.
तो बिफोर दिस व्हेन आई डिड संकल्प
हाँ.
एंड प्रकाश सर इज सो फास्ट कि आपको
Yeah.
लगता है ये खत्म किया मैंने और मैं अभी यहाँ पे जब तक पढ़ने का टाइम मिलेगा वो रेडी
Ready.
सो देयर इज नो टाइम सो यू
Wow.
हैव टू बी कम वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड
Right.
सो आई हैड टू रीड इट constantly यार
But
because
he's brilliant. Like you
Yeah.
see him in the
You
show.
have such
it's
big paragraphs.
paragraphs
Yeah.
to
to
say.
say.
Yeah.
So of
Yeah.
course.
Right. You know, personally, do you all enjoy shooting in Mumbai or do you all prefer outdoors? Are outdoors the best place to also get to know each other? Who
for
prefers?
me it's outdoor
Okay.
I just say it quickly
हाँ.
is because there are less like I
Distractions.
said distraction
Distractions,
in the sense you know you're not in because you're away so you're not you know you have to go somewhere or
Correct,
anything
हाँ.
and you get that little time कि वो dinner आपने order किया और आपको time है for yourself to read the lines and everything in Mumbai when you're there obviously when you come home there is always
कौन आपको
something-
distract कर रहा है इतना?
नहीं distract नहीं होता है you know you get to the house
Yeah.
you know it's not question of you know you're invited at places
Yeah.
then you're at home
The social
kids
life,
are there
yeah.
social life I have but I don't have so much
हाँ.
but फिर भी मुंबई में तो you know
Yeah, true,
Mumbai
true, it's
life
hectic.
is
Yeah,
so
yeah.
for me it's definitely
Outdoor.
outdoor because you're living in one place you are meeting the same people it helps your work also
Right.
even if we were meeting and we were just talking about each other but we were always it was also part of the
Right.
work yeah.
Kind
Right.
of in character after the shoot
Right.
also.
A lot of
Again,
actors
again.
tell me that you know they are tired of traveling now, so we rather go back home and go on a set. Only what do you prefer?
I like outdoors.
You
I
also
just
like
miss
outdoors.
my dogs a lot.
Yeah.
But I love being in a new city around new people, and
New
like he
people.
said, there are less distractions. You kind of like a bonding even like on set and after pack up, like in between scenes. I think it helps build chemistry as well
Yeah,
for the
true.
screen. So it's lovely. I think none of us wouldn't be as great friends if
Ah.
it wasn't for Patiala.
Nice. Did
That's-
you take your dogs at any
No,
shoot? Don't take
no.
them?
Here I have,
You-
like
you
in
have.
Bombay, I have, but
Right.
not.
video FaceTime
FaceTime.
Yeah.
What do you prefer?
I guess all of us.
All of us
Outdoors,
will.
yeah.
So this was the perfect one for you all then.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Totally.
Right. Chalo, best of luck.
Thank
ये
you.
I will watch it for sure. And please tell people when is it releasing.
अब होगा हिसाब 18 जून को आ रही है Amazon MX Player पे.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Super.
Thank you.